Hi there, I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. I'm doing a quick little review about a product fresh out today from Andy Charalambous called Toys Revenue Riches. I like to start at the finish. There you go, it's 25 bucks. What do you get for 25 bucks? That seems like a lot of money. I see $7 PDFs out there. Well, how about an entry into a $107 billion market, kids' toys, and that you can use this guide to get ahead of the people who are so you'll know the hottest upselling toys that are coming up for the Christmas season, which is just coming up. We're about 2 weeks away from Halloween as I record this. So you missed the Halloween thing. You'd need to be up on Google already for Halloween. But the moment Halloween's over, shunk, and you can already see it in the stores, the focus changes to Christmas. And so Christmas toys, Christmas games, all the Christmas things they're buying for gifts for boys, for girls. That's the kids' toys kind of market. We're going to go inside here and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's go there. Boom, to the top. And sorry, I'm not that familiar with this one. Get that out of there. And let's come down. Blah, blah, blah. They're making money, toys, big business. I want to scroll down to go to where they go. Here. How you can profit from discovering toys that can be huge bestsellers during summer, fall, holiday seasons like Christmas, Easter, and so on. You don't have to waste time browsing them. You're going to get a better chance to pick out the home runs, the best-selling toys. And this is all about making money from it. Newbie friendly, set and forget online business blueprint. And every single year, they're looking for you can see these new hot toys, toy gifts, classic toys, toys for boys, toys for girls, best Christmas toys. And it's also like top Christmas toys 2023, that kind of thing. And it becomes the next year and so on. Thousands of searches in a gazillion sub niches for toys. And you make money by being there. So here you go. Here's the whole course. How to create your toy affiliate empire, how to set up the foundations, how to find the best places to gather information about the toys before they begin to trend. So you'll know at this time of the year what's going to be the big sellers. They give you a list here of 100. Maybe they're not all going to be the best sellers, but you're going to hit 90 and 95 of those. How to create a professional looking free website within an hour, how it's done, over the shoulder video, the whole 9 yards, no skills needed. How to select the right kind of toy categories, how to select the right kind of trending toys. So the categories in the blog, the trending toys, the exact toys themselves, how to create great content in a flash that attracts people looking to buy. We've got a template for that. How to monetize your content. So you can write a review and just go, yeah, I highly recommend it and stop. Or you can go, and here's the link to buy it at Amazon. So productive techniques for staying ahead of the competition. How to sign up for big paydays. There's a 70-page PDF instruction manual. Again, this is $25. 9 tutorial videos, about 74 minutes of content. And there's some bonuses here. So see if this won't help you become a toy seller. Toy Trends List 2023, 10-page PDF, over 100 trending potential hot toys. Like I say, they're not going to get them all right, but if you get 90 out of 100, you make 90 blog posts or 100 blog posts, and 90 of them are the top sellers. Those are the home runs. Those are the ones everybody's searching for. They're the Cabbage Patch dolls, that kind of thing. Within 8 popular toy categories, save you a ton of time. You're just focusing on those 100, make reviews. And here's the product review template. 8-page blog post outline, create informative and engaging toy reviews, provide valuable insights to your audience, and help them make informed purchasing decisions. And you can tell that it's done in a gentle fashion. It's not, get this now, there's no more Cabbage Patch. That doesn't really work online, especially. But you can go, hey, your kid's going to love it. Hey, I've tested it and it's got this. Hey, it's got these features. Here's the pro and the cons, and here's a link to get it. And same kind of thing. There's the whole package, 25 bucks, fresh up today. If you want to make money from the toy market online, which you just know is huge every single year and is about to go nuts in 2 weeks' time, you need to create some reviews of the toys, get them up on Google, and be there as people start searching from now until Christmas. Go check it out. It's called Toys Revenue Riches from Andy Charalambous. I'm Andrew Larder from MarketingSharks.com. Enjoy.